How to use the CapCut AutoCut feature. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the CapCut AutoCut feature. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this feature actually automatically edits your clips, saving you time to deliver good projects. So first, open up your CapCut to do that. Make sure that your CapCut is updated to its latest version. After you do that, log in into your account, and there you should find an option that says AutoCut on the top. So tap on AutoCut and select a video. After you select a video, tap on Next. Now it will take some time analyzing the clips. So now what you'll need to do is you'll just need to select whichever suits your edit. You will see a lot of different options here. So after you find any option that you like, you can tap on the export on the top right corner to export the video. And that's basically how you use the CapCut AutoCut feature, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.